Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to work on multiplying and then dividing rational expressions. Okay, so now keep in mind, our rational expressions are nothing more than what I like to call algebraic fractions. And so our process for multiplying something like, let's say we have 3/4 times 8/25, that process is going to be the same, but with these algebraic expressions. So we want to see if there's anything we can simplify maybe in the numerator or denominators of each fraction. Then if that doesn't work, we'll see if we can simplify something diagonally. So for example, the 8 and the 4, that reduces to 1, and then we are going to end up getting 6/25. That process is going to be used in multiplying rational expressions. So let's look at a couple examples. First thing we want to do though is maybe factor some things out so we can see what it is we're working with. So what I'm going to do is factor out my 2x plus 10 to make that 2 times the quantity x plus 5. And then I have x squared, which I can't factor out, times x to the third over, factor out of 4, x plus 5. Okay, so here, remember, x squared is just x times x, and x cubed is x times x times x. These two x's are going to cancel out with those two x's, and all it leaves me with is this 1x up there. The 2 and the 4 are going to cancel out to be 1 and 2, and then the x plus 5 and x plus 5 are also going to cancel each other out. Therefore, the only thing I'm left with is x over 2. 1 times x, and then there's a 1 down here, 1 times 2. There we go. Now let's look at one that's a little more complicated. Let's take a look at the number 2. Same process though. I'm going to start by factoring it out. And so let's see here, so x squared minus 3x minus 10, that's going to be x, not plus, or minus 5, x plus 2, there we go. The denominator is going to be x minus 3, x minus 1, and then the other one, let's see here, so this is going to be x minus 3, x minus 2, and then x, oh, well, look at this. Okay, so x minus 5, x plus 2. All right, right here, if I had noticed it right off the bat, I could have canceled these out immediately, but it helps to factor it out so we can see what's going on. But now we're just playing that game here, so let's see what we can cancel out. I can cancel out the x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 5, x minus 5. I can also cancel out this x minus 3 with that x minus 3. All right, and so I'm looking at things that can cancel out diagonally, like this right here, or vertically. And so I'm left with is x minus 1 and x minus 2. And so that's my final answer, x minus 2 over x minus 1. So again, the process here is we're going to factor, see what we can cancel out. We're going to factor, see what we can cancel out, maybe FOIL if we can. All right, so that's multiplying. Let's go and talk about dividing. So dividing, same thing as normal fractions. We're going to do a little keep, change, flip action here. And so yeah, if we had 3/4 divided by 7/12, that's going to become 3/4 times 12/7. And then we can cancel that stuff out, multiply. That process, those mechanics still apply here. So first thing I'm going to do is factor it all out and do a little keep, change, flip. So 8, and then x plus 5, x minus 5, times x plus 5 in the numerator, and then 16 down here. So nothing is going to cancel out vertically, but some things are going to cancel out diagonally. So x plus 5, gone. Here, that's a 1. This becomes a 2. And as a result, the only thing I have left in the numerator is 1. And then I have 2 times the quantity x minus 5 in the denominator. Excuse me there. Box that, walk away. I'm done. Now, look at number 2. Similar process. We're going to have to do keep, change, flip. Make up a nice big fraction bar there. All right. So the numerator, a little more complicated. I'm going to take out an x squared, and then I'll have x minus 5 when I factor that out. My denominator, I'm going to take out an, take out an x squared. That's going to give me x squared plus 3x plus 2. So that's x squared, and then x plus 1, x plus 2. All right, cool. Now remember, I got to flip these guys. So x minus 3x plus 1, that's this guy right here, and then I'll have, what, x minus 3, x minus 2 for the original numerator. All right, now I've broken everything down to its factors. I can start canceling some stuff out. So x squared, goodbye. Let's see here, x plus 1, goodbye. X minus 3's, goodbye. And what I'm left with, x minus 5, and then these x minus 2, or x plus 2 and x minus 2. So the final answer is x minus 5 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Box that, walk away. And that's it. That's how we multiply and divide rational expressions. We're continuing to do what we did with numbers when we were dealing with fractions, with multiplying and dividing. It's just now that we're using some of these factoring skills that we've learned with algebraic expressions, or algebraic fractions, polynomials, if you will. So good luck on your practice, and let me know if you have any questions.